welcome to this resin tutorial. My name's Michelle Tracy. Today I'm just working on a little cute mermaid tail. It's just an MDF cutout and I've gessoed it with white gesso prior to pouring the resin on. And I'm also using art resin today because it's a lot safer than other brands and it doesn't have any VOCs or fumes. So I'm using a plain turquoise base coat and using pearl colors as the highlights. That beautiful copper and now this turquoise pearl color is perfect for adding a bit of shimmer and contrasting against that plain background. This is my first attempt at painting a mermaid tail in resin. I've painted plenty in watercolor, but this is a little different. So I'm going to see if I can get some of that detail in here and see how I go with it. I do want to get the blowtorch onto it because I just want to blend the colors in a bit together. I realized by doing that I will lose some of my line work. I meant to have on hand my other heat gun, my second one with the larger nozzle, because these compressor nozzles blow a lot of air out. And in this case, I've lost all that line work. I just wanted to softly blend it, But anyway, time for some white waves. I'm trying a new white today. It's from Art Tree Creations and I tested it out and I was really happy with it. So I'm giving it a go for the first time. And I can see now that I need to add some white to the tail to balance it out. But of course, once again, I lose more lines. I should have put the white down first. In the future, I will. I just didn't think I was going to use it down there. This is also the first time I've created resin art on this particular desk and I can now see that it's unlevel and I'm losing that copper, so I have to keep replacing it. A reminder to check that the table is level before pouring. I use an app. Art Resin has a level app, which is great, or you can use another one. And if you're like me, you don't notice that the table is not level until it's too late. And I was simply placing quartz crystals to decorate the tail to give it a lovely, beautiful energy and dimension to the piece. Now I have laid down most of the elements, I'll go through and just fine tune. Use my eagle eye to capture any little pieces I may have missed. It's a shame that the camera doesn't pick up the beautiful shimmer of the metallic. That metallic copper is beautiful. Stay tuned because I'll show it at the end. I'll bring it out into the sunlight so you can really see it shine. And here it is shining in all its glory. Beautiful shimmery mermaid tail. This tree served as an amazing tripod. I think I'll be filming outdoors more often. And as always, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for all your lovely feedback. My name's Michelle Tracy. I'll see you next time.